Hey, Brandon here with Out of Sight Gear. We're doing a little catfishing, a little sturgeon fishing. We took a break, and my wife and me we're hitting these rapids here. This is a really nice spot. Let me flip the camera. Yeah, this is really scenic. Let's do a pan here so you can see. I gotta let this fish go, and we're just pounding on these smallmouth here with our ultralight Slimecat rods. Dr.Fish reel, but we're having a blast. All these fish are like 10 to 14 inches, but we've landed over 20 right now. So we're just having a great time, just showing you the setup. Just rip these jigs right through the water. Sometimes it's just as fast as you can cast, but let me let this guy go. It's a little one. Keep cranking these up till we get the big ones. Boom, boom, there we go. Oh yeah, they're getting up there. They're getting up there. We just gotta go next size up. Okay.
Which jig was that? Black?
This one, yep.
Oh yeah, good.
I got an ultralight rod here. Slimecat. We're just getting smallies, but these river smallies, from living in this current, they fight hard. They really do. Look at the rod. I guarantee you this is no more than a 10-inch fish. That is a 10-inch fish, but we've caught about 20 of these every time. Little, well, this one's a little smaller than normal, but they fight so hard, and on this ultralight rod and reel, we were having a blast. I lost a big one last time. That's what I'm hunting for. That's one of the smaller ones.